For the final video of the beginner tutorial series, we will be creating a simple table. I will put the shortcuts on the screen so you can follow along. Let's keep scaling the table leg, until we get the length and size that we want. Switch over to the Edit mode with Tab. Now select Edges. Now we need 4 table legs. So what we need to do is duplicate the object. We do this by holding Shift and pressing D. We can now press G to grab and X to move along the X-axis. Let's rotate this leg by 180 degrees. To do this, just press R and then 180. We can also duplicate 2 objects together. Select both objects by holding Shift and left mouse click. Let's press the G key and then the Y key to move the objects along the Y-axis. Now we need to make the tabletop. I am just going to use one of the legs and then change the shape. Once we have the desired shape, let's use Ctrl and A. We need to apply the rotation and scale again because it has been modified. Let's press Z to switch to the wireframe mode. This mode lets you only see the edges of the object. Now we can get a better view for editing. Let's unwrap the tabletop, so that the texture projects onto the object properly. Thank you for watching this tutorial series. Likes and subscriptions will be much appreciated.